Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson for beginners, we're going to look at different ways to open the Settings app on Windows 11. So what is actually the Settings app? Well, the Settings app is a central hub for configuring and customizing many of the aspects of the operating system. It provides a user-friendly interface to manage hardware, software, network connections, user accounts, and more. However, it is only useful if you know how to find it. Okay, let's dive into the steps to open the Windows 11 Settings app. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Now, the easiest and more efficient way to open the Settings app is using the Windows key plus I keyboard shortcut, and that will open the Settings app. Now, if you want to use the Start menu, just open Start and look for Settings. And then on the top result, click on Settings, and that will open the application. From the Start menu, you can also go to the All menu, and from here we're just going to click on any of the letters, and then we're going to go to the S section, and from here we're going to find the Settings app. Then just click on it and that will open the app. Now from the taskbar, you have three different ways to open the Settings app. The first one is by clicking the network button, and from here you're going to be able to find this button, and that will open the Settings app. Now, you can also right-click the taskbar, and then you will find the taskbar settings, and this will open the Settings app, but on the taskbar settings, but it still opens the application. And finally, you can right-click the Start button, and from this menu, you can click on Settings, and that will also open the Settings app. Now, if you access the Settings app frequently, what you can do is just to pin it to the Start menu and to the taskbar. And you can do this by opening the Start menu, looking for Settings, and then since the best match will be selected, you will have these options right here. And then you just need to select where you want to pin the application, to the Start menu or the taskbar. And you can do them both. As you can see on the taskbar, the application is now pinned, and we can also pin it to the Start menu. So when we open the Start menu, we are going to see the application right here. Another way to pin the Settings app to the Start menu is by adding the access right here next to the power button. And we can do this from the actual Settings app. So we're going to open the Settings app, and then we're going to go to Personalization, Start, and from here, open the Folders page, and then select the items that you want to have next to the power button. In this case, we want to have the Settings app. So we need to turn that option on, and then the next time that you open the Start menu, you're going to see the access to the Settings app next to power button. Now, from the desktop, you can also access the Settings app by right-clicking the desktop, then select Display Settings or the Personalize options. When you choose either of those options, the Settings app will open, but specifically on the page you selected. And then from here, you can navigate through the different pages. Now, you can also access the Settings app using commands. So if you want to use the actual run command, open Start and look for run and open the app. And then type ms-settings column home and then click OK. And that will open the Settings app on the home page. Now, if you actually know the technical name for the page, you can use commands to open a specific page. For example, like if we do the run command one more time, by the way, you can also use the Windows key plus R keyboard shortcut to open the run command. So from here to the home, you can type account, click OK, and that will open the Settings app on the accounts page. Now, we can also open the Settings app from command prompt. And to do that, open Start and look for command prompt or the terminal. The Start ms-settings column home. Press enter, and that will open the Settings app on the home page. Using this command, you can also open a specific page. So if we use the same example as before, so if we type account, that will open the accounts page on the Settings app. And the last method that I'm going to highlight on this video is to open the Settings app through the Task Manager. And to do that, open Start and look for the Task Manager, and then open the app. Then from here, you need to click the Run a New Task button, and then just type the command, which in this case is the same, ms-settings column, and then home. And then click OK, and that will open the Settings app on your computer. And that's it. Those are pretty much all the different ways that you can use to open the application that allows you to manage many aspects of Windows 11. Let me know in the comments the method that you usually use to open the app. Also, like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.